I only use reliable and trusted brands in my kitchen, and Ultra is one of my all-time favorites. How I cook rice using Ultra's all-new tri-ply diet cooker and gas stove. Vangu, I'll show you.
First step, place the cooker, add the starch remover inside, pour water till the level of perforation on the starch remover, add soaked rice, add 3 times the level of water. Pressure cook it for 4 to 5 whistles. Tri-ply diet helps remove excess starch just like traditional cooking, reduces calories and helps diabetic conditions. The 3-layered tri-ply enables fast absorption and uniform distribution of heat. The injection molded bakelite handles with 6 screws that won't break easily compared to other cookers. Now look at these forged brass burners. They give 70% gas efficiency, resulting in faster cooking and significant gas savings. Most importantly, these burners come with a 10-year warranty and the pan support won't fall during cleaning.
My rice is ready within minutes. Oh wow, the rice is so fluffy. And you know what? I'll use this starch to make rice kanji.
Today's lunch is so yummy thanks to my new Ultra Diet cooker and gas stove. When are you getting yours?